Top 5 reasons to live in San Jose. Are you moving because you have a new job? Or moving because you've been dreaming of living in San Jose, California? If you are thinking of moving to San Jose, California, you might have asked yourself, what is it like to live here? So in this video, I will list the top 5 reasons why the San Jose Bay Area is a great place to live. There are several cities on the southern part of San Francisco Bay Area, but none are comparable to the beauty of San Jose. Located at the southernmost end of the bay, this diverse city is full of startups, great food, great shopping, and just minutes from some of California's finest natural regions. It is also California's first civil settlement, founded by the Spaniards as an agricultural community in 1777. San Jose is the heart of the Bay Area. Part of San Jose's charm lies in being in the center of Silicon Valley. This city in the South Bay is full of tech companies and innovative entrepreneurs, making it the de facto capital of Silicon Valley. And apart from many employment opportunities, the benefits of having so many technology companies in the city are clear. The San Jose government has invested heavily in smart city technology to measure traffic, sustainability, and create safer cities. Companies such as Adobe, eBay, and Cisco are deeply rooted in the region. Cloud security, digital fraud detection, and medical tech startups are scattered throughout San Jose. Many people come to San Jose to work in high-tech companies, but they eventually fall in love with the lifestyle of the area. A ranch-style home is a staple in the area, and the buyers can find their dreams home style in San Jose. Many newly built mid-century, Spanish, Victorian, and modern homes line the street everywhere in the city. San Jose has a rich history of housing. During the Spanish occupation of the 17th century, as more and more Americans headed west and settled in the Bay Area, centralized cities began to form. Development emerged in the 1850s when California became the 31st state. When California became a state, thousands of Americans went to the West to build a new life for themselves, and developers acted swiftly to develop cities like San Jose. Spanish-style houses dominated the landscape, which evolved over time. Of course, there are also condos for buyers. Downtown San Jose had many new construction and refurbished units for buyers to explore. If you are interested in finding the right home for you, you can reach out to our team Bay Area Connect. I will leave my contact information in the description below. Now, let's continue. Third on the list is San Jose is a sport-centric city. Sports are a part of the San Jose lifestyle. And honestly, the city attracts sport fans from all over the state. The city has the Sharks hockey team, the Earthquake football club, and the Giant minor league baseball team. PayPal Stadium is home to the Earthquake and is also where the Team USA football club hosts international matches. Hockey became a popular pastime in San Jose, where the Sharks moved to San Jose in the early 1990s. When the Sharks are playing home games, it's common to see locals and fans at the SAP Center in San Jose. The Giants are a minor league team, and they have their own baseball field, Exide Ballpark. Amateurs want a chance to play here and make it big to play for the San Francisco Giants. The town isn't only about major sports. The women's roller derby is also popular, and locals enjoy the Silicon Valley roller girls breaking the competition. Fourth on the list, San Jose is near the great outdoors. Surrounded by undulating hills, east and west, the city is located at the southern tip of the San Francisco Bay. San Jose is in the Santa Clara Valley, adjacent to the Diablo Ranch to the east, and the Santa Cruz Mountains to the west of the city. This area offers perfect Mediterranean weather all year round, and the surrounding hills invite many hikes. Black Mountain is a popular spot for hikers as it offers vast view of San Jose from the top. One of San Jose's most popular and oldest hikes is the Allen Rock Park. Founded in 1872, the park has existed since 1777 when Spain occupied California. However, locals do not have to go out to the outskirts of town to experience the beauty of San Jose. Baylands Park and Alviso Marina County Park provide easy access to the Bayside Lounge. To the south is Santa Teresa County Park, which is full of rolling hills. Fifth and the last on my list is San Jose has an appealing climate. The geography of the Santa Clara Valley and the cool temperatures of the Pacific Ocean combine to create an idyllic environment in the San Jose region. The city has a mild climate all year round, perfect for outdoor adventures and spending time with friends in the backyard. Locals take advantage of the weather by heading to downtown Market Street. On Market Street, many restaurants serve outdoor dining in an eclectic dining scene. Many people take walks in the San Jose Municipal Rose Garden on a sunny day. However, on those rare rainy days, it is common for locals to explore the family-friendly halls of the San Jose Museum of Arts. Many homeowners customize their homes to take advantage of the weather, so locals don't necessarily have to head downtown to have a good time. Ornate interior and exterior homes and additional living units near the pool are common for homeowners to relax. I really love San Jose as this city is one of the best places to live in if you are looking for a happy lifestyle. This is proven as according to the surveys, San Jose is second happiest city in America.